Hey guys, so today is Friday, it's 3:45 and we are going to Seattle! Woo! It's the first time for the kids to go on the airplane, so we're really excited and really nervous. Katie's pretty nervous, but she's excited too. So, sorry. So we packed last night, but we didn't pack just the essentials, which is what I feel are his toys that he needs, his cookies and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. And I thought it'd be cool to show you guys what I think are essentials for Christian. So go ahead and get started because I have less than 15 minutes to do this. So first one is his little balls. He likes to play with these. I thought it'd be cool since we're gonna be sitting down for 3 hours to bring some hand toys. This one, just a cool little ring stick. I don't know about if it's a good idea because there's gonna be people there, but it's okay. It's not that noisy. I'm bringing a little twisty for him to play with. This cool little sensory toy. 2 squishy thingy-mabobbers. This twisty. I'm bringing his chewy. Little dinosaur that feels nice and squishy. His favorite. He hasn't played with this one in a while, so I think he'll like it. Another different type of twisty. And a little ball. This little ball he likes to put near his mouth and just stim on it. For food, I'm bringing Chips Ahoy. I'm bringing little peanut butter crackers. And I'm bringing frosted cookies. These are all his favorites. And I'm also bringing this one because it feels nice and fluffy. And I'll probably take a blanket. And I'm also taking their iPads. I downloaded some movies on here from Netflix and some Agent Oso. So hopefully he'll be entertained and hopefully he'll leave his headphones on. I also got headphones. I got regular headphones so that when he's watching a movie, he can put these on. He's not too great with them. Like last time I tried putting headphones on, he started laughing. So, but I'm hoping he'll leave them on over there. And the most important, which I don't know how he'll react to the airplane. I don't know if the sound will spook him or the feeling will freak him out. But I bought some noise canceling headphones just in case. I don't want to put them on before. I don't want to protect him before I know if he needs to be protected. I just want to have them ready in case he does start feeling uncomfortable. Then I can place them on him and know that he's not having to hear that. I was telling my husband, like, I never want to baby him or overprotect them without knowing if he really needs to be protected, but I always want to be prepared. So that's why we got these. And we're gonna do a DIY and put some stickers on them because apparently we're fanatics of our hockey team. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Katie, you're really excited? Mm-hmm. You can have some juice, Mama.
Hey.
I'm really excited. It's gonna be so much fun.
I'm not even tired.
You're not even tired?
Nope.
And I wonder how the whole like getting on the airplane and like the checkpoint and all that, I'm hoping that's gonna go good. I don't see there being a problem, but it's just, you know,
Guess
the
what?
unknown.
Guess what? It's me and my brother's first time we're getting an airplane, and my mom and dad is the second time. Last time they went to where did you go again?
San Francisco.
San Francisco. And now I'm going to Seattle. First,
now they're Golden Eye headphones. I'm excited.
I want to give a shout out to Miss Amanda. She is our old RBT. I know she stays out in Seattle.
Maybe we'll cross paths.
Yes.
and we miss you.
We do. Oh, hey guys. Anybody down to go to Seattle with us? Come along. to disturb Sleeping Beauty. Got his outfit ready. Got the bags ready. It's just a little nugget here. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Guess what time it is?
Field trip.
No vacation. Ready? Whoa, 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 whoa. You okay? Sorry, I spooked you. I spooked you. I spooked you. Ready? Let me get in here. Oh. Whoa. All right. Okay. Good job. Oh, hold on. Let me see. This is the last thing we need, and then just your hair. Thank you. Your face, let's wake you up. Let's wake you up. Let's wake you up. Fresh at any time of the day. Oh, baby. Oh, you seeing Titi? Are you gonna miss her? It's only gonna be for a few days, but it's oh, you messed up the hair. Set up on this up. Drag it back.
You know when you just wake up and you stare into space? Well, that's him right there.
I'm going on vacation, Christian.
Mason, you want juice, baby? Mason, you want juice? No? Let's go. You ready? Let's go.
You want fresh air? Come on, let's get some fresh air. Be careful.